As you already know, this car is the most expensive and the most powerful car on the planet. It has a 8L engine, producing 1500 HP, and it is paired with 4-wheel drive. As the end result, this car is one of the fastest accelerating cars on the planet, and it is one with the highest top speed. The top speed isn't still confirmed, but it will be about 271 miles per hour, so it is more than just fast. Bugatti Chiron has 7-speed transmission, automatic, of course, which is developed specifically for this car. Ferrari is the fastest Ferrari ever made, and it is one of the most expensive ones as well. All about this car is devoted to speed, so it is unique and different than all other cars in the world. There were only 499 units made. It is a hybrid, so it has a V12 engine with 789 HP and an electric motor producing 161 HP. Despite the fact it is a hybrid, it isn't economical, and it manages 13 mpg. The manufacturer used special techniques in order to maximize the acceleration and the top speed, so during the acceleration, both the engine and the electric motor will give their best. Despite the fact this car is far more affordable than the aforementioned models, it offers the same acceleration time. Keep in mind that the time is only for S version, while the standard version has 2.9 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour time. This version has 580 HP and all-wheel drive, so it is clear why it is so fast. At the same time, it has the dual clutch transmission, with 7 gears, so changing gears is faster than on ordinary cars. The Lamborghini Aventador is also one of the fastest and the fastest accelerating cars on the planet. The engine is 6.5-liter V12, and it produces 740 HP. Paired with all 4 wheels, through 7-speed transmission, this car is capable of providing impressive performances. The top speed is impressive 217 miles per hour, so it is an actual hypercar. In addition, it is modern, offers great handling and one of the best sounds you can hear. McLaren is well known for making fast cars with a great handling. This model isn't an exception, and it comes with a 3.8-liter engine, V8, producing 582 HP. It has rear-wheel drive, and one of the best 0 to 60 miles per hour times in the world. The car is based on the latest technology, and it comes with advanced features. Keep in mind that the GT version is available, but it is developed for long journeys instead for racing. car is a pleasant surprise, simply because it offers impressive performances and it looks amazing. It has similar engine that can be found in Lamborghini models. In addition, it also has similar four-wheel drive. The Plus version produces 610 HP from a V10 engine, and it is one of the fastest accelerating cars on the planet. The first thing you should know about the Ferrari F12 TDF is that it isn't an ordinary F12 Berlinetta. The TDF stands for Tour de France, and it is based on a legendary Ferrari that won the race. It has the V12 engine, producing 769 HP and delivering them on the rear wheels, via the 7-speed transmission. This version also has a better aerodynamics than the standard version, and it is more powerful as well. This is an actual sports car that can be used on any track you have in mind. The Nissan GT-R is one of the fastest accelerating cars on the planet, despite the fact it is almost 3 to 4 times more affordable than similar cars. It also offers perfect handling, thanks to the all-wheel drive. This version comes with a 3.7-liter engine, producing 565 HP. As the end result, this car is fast and sounds great. The Acura NSX may be rare and unknown car for most people, but it is one of the fastest cars on the planet. It has 3.5-liter engine, V6, producing 573 HP. The reason why this car is so fast is low weight and the great engine, paired with a great transmission. On the other side, this is a hybrid and it comes with 3 electric motors. All of this means that the acceleration is even better and this car is more economical than similar models. Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is another car that is affordable for its performances. This version has a 6.2-liter engine, producing 650 HP, so it is powerful and it offers a lot of torque. The transmission can be 7-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. In any case, you will get the best performances. In addition, this car comes with a performance package as an option that offers better brakes and better tires.